Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the main differences between AutoCAD and AutoCAD Lite or AutoCAD LT. So let's go ahead to autodesk.com. Let's go to Products, AutoCAD, and if you scroll down, there's a icon here. You can click on it, compare. So we're going to compare AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT. We can click on view in depth comparison. So in fact, we're gonna compare AutoCAD, AutoCAD LT, as well as product design manufacturing collection. That's collection of different softwares, including AutoCAD and Inventor and a few other software. So as far as pricing, AutoCAD LT will be the cheapest, $60 per month versus $235 for AutoCAD versus $375 for a collection of product design manufacturing. Um, so as far as the user interface, they're very similar as you see. AutoCAD LT, AutoCAD, and the collection of softwares for product design manufacturing. The main difference is if you scroll down, as far as data management and cloud and mobility, so support and stability, they're the same. So there's a cloud version, desktop version for these softwares, including AutoCAD. If you scroll down further, so collaboration, um, they're almost the same. Documentation, um, the help online or on the desktop, they're pretty much same. Detect and comply with CAD standard, AutoCAD LT lacks in that regard. That we use predominantly. So if it's important to you, you might want to switch to AutoCAD for compatibility for 3D printing, specifically when you need a 3D model, solid or surface steel model. Yeah, AutoCAD LT will not support that, wouldn't have the capability, so you might want to use AutoCAD. Um, if you're gonna do architectural drafting, you can use LT, but as far as the standards, AutoCAD will have those standards. Exploded view again, AutoCAD LT does not support that. So the main difference between LT and the non-LT version of AutoCAD is the support for 3D model, whether it's a surface or solid model. AutoCAD LT will not have those capabilities, and AutoCAD will have those capabilities. So that's the main differentiator. As you see, there is no check mark here, but AutoCAD can do 3D modeling. As far as simulation and visualization, this means engineering simulation, like looking into stresses and um, buckling, thermal stresses, or mechanical stresses. Uh, AutoCAD LT or AutoCAD wouldn't have those capabilities, but the collection of those softwares have one or two software that can do those engineering simulations. As far as API and automation, you can, as you know, you might know, you can automate certain drafting or design tasks, like updating a part automatically. Um, so in AutoCAD LT, you do not have access to the APIs of the AutoCAD code. So in LT you wouldn't have those, but in AutoCAD you have access to APIs that you can automate certain tasks. Also, AutoLisp is a programming language. It might be actually it's a scripting language, so that you can use AutoLisp to automate certain tasks. and that's available in AutoCAD, not the LT version or the light version. As far as other important things, yeah, sheet metal design, that's really important. Mostly that's, we do that in 3D, and those capabilities are available in the collection. Um, so building like flanges and bends and um, so those are flat pattern, those are not available in neither version of AutoCAD. As far as mechanical design, yeah, you can design parts and assemblies, import CAD geometry in LT. However, if you need like a standard, um, uh, access to standard parts and automated bill of materials, and those are not going to be available in the light version. As far as electrical and PCB board design, um, AutoCAD LT can do basic layouts and schematics, but AutoCAD has more capability in that regard. As far as manufacturing, like creating G codes, M codes for milling, lathe, and um, for CNC machining, yeah, neither version of AutoCAD will have those capabilities. Additive manufacturing, so you're gonna need slicing 3D models and creating like the code for zigzag, let's say, motion of the machine on every slice. AutoCAD wouldn't give us any of those capabilities. And other important things, as far as system requirements, they're going to be very similar as far as what computing system, computer, laptop you're going to need. So, so that sums up this comparison. So for most tasks, AutoCAD LT will be sufficient, but if you're gonna do electrical, architectural, and you need standards and you need 3D modeling, you're gonna have to switch to AutoCAD. And if you're gonna have to do some engineering simulations or 3D printing and or milling, you need G and M codes. You're gonna have to switch to this collection. All right. I hope this video was useful. Please sign up to this channel to support the channel so that I can upload similar videos. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download a free version of Autodesk products, including AutoCAD, Inventor, and other Autodesk products. So you can actually open your browser, go to autodesk.com and press enter. And if you go under products, and on the right side you have under discover you have educational access. You can click on that, and then if you scroll down you're gonna see the access to educational versions are divided into students, educators, and administrators. So pretty much Autodesk gives only 1 year free access and free download and activation for their products for educational purposes, but you can renew the access as long as you have access to your school's email account. So what you do, you can click on sign in and create a new profile, and you need to use your school's email account. And most of the schools in the US have an email that ends with .edu. If you're from Europe, other places, you might have an email for your school that ends with different acronyms and alphabets. So um, Autodesk also, during activation of your school's email account, they might require you to submit additional documents. Um, so anyhow, after you create an account, you can actually log in, go to products as I showed you. You can click on students. In this case, I'm going to click on learn more. And if you scroll down, um, you can find a list of products. Before going there, this area under students actually list the items I just talked about. Create an Autodesk account, confirm eligibility, and download and install software. They'll be active just for 1 year immediately after your activation. So if you scroll down, you can um, so get products. We can click on get products to get the list of the available softwares. Under individual, these are the individual softwares, and as you see, some platforms are only for cloud access, so you don't need to actually install it. So they're in Autodesk clouds. Um, However, some softwares like Revit for architectural design, like this one, only available in Windows platform, not available in Apple iOS. AutoCAD, they have a cloud version, they have a Windows version you can download, they have iOS version you can download. Inventor, of course, for mechanical design and manufacturing. Um, this one is available only in desktop version. AutoCAD LT is also available for the Mac version of AutoCAD LT, Civil 3D, and so forth. All right. Um, for educators, it's going to be similar. However, they actually they categorize the softwares available for the educators, but it's pretty much the same thing. You can download or access through the cloud the individual softwares, but just to explain it clearly, they have categorized the list of available softwares under construction, manufacturing, and mechanical engineering. Okay. All right. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Um, to support this channel, please like and subscribe. Thanks.